out to 100 yards and take a shot and see how much it drops and how well it groups. That is one big hollow point. These things expand great. Rossi survival rifle, 100 yards, skipping the 75. Why waste the ammo if I don't need to? If this works out, then we don't have to worry about the 75 yard stuff. We're gonna just see how good these Barnes Vor-Tx group at 100 yards. Yeah, we're hitting way low. Alright, we're not grouping too well. So let's go to 75 and see what we can do. 50, it was doing good at 50. Alright, here we go. We're at 75 yards. Let's see if this is a little bit more manageable. It's right on top of the orange. If I'm not mistaken, that's about 2 inches below it and slightly to the right. Let's go take a look at what we got at 75 yards. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's amazing what 25 yards will do, because at 100 yards, taking those first 3 shots, we have one. This was the first shot. That was the second shot. No, that was the second shot. That was the third shot. Either way, that's it. 100 yards. Now we upped it up to 75. We got right here, boom, and there's 2 shots in one hole. Right there. At 75 yards. This one, I'll get the camera up a little bit closer to it. You'll see it's a little, just a hair bigger than the other one. You can tell it's 2 shots. That's why I was like, where'd the other one go? As I was walking up. But so at 75 yards, 2 inches or less with the Barnes Vor-Tx 45 Colt. That's astounding. I mean, for me, that's astounding. I love it. I love it. I love it. As stated, you can see the top hole is wider than the bottom hole. Put 2 in 1 right there, pretty much. So that is a good deal with the 45 Colt Barnes Vor-Tx. I'm still just amazed at 25 yards. It goes from that at 25 yards. From 75 yards, it goes from that to that. That's crazy. That is definitely crazy. Interesting, but that is a big old hollow point, so I guess that wind starts catching in that hole.